How does Bitcoin work? Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies are like the email of the financial world. The currency doesn't exist in a physical form, and the coin is transacted directly between the sender and the receiver without banking intermediaries. Everything is done publicly through a transparent, immutable, distributed ledger technology called blockchain. Main features of blockchain technology. Bitcoin transactions are recorded on a public, distributed ledger called a blockchain that anyone can download and help maintain. Transactions are sent directly from the sender to the receiver without intermediaries. Holders who store their own Bitcoin have complete control over it. It cannot be accessed without the holder's cryptographic key. Bitcoin doesn't exist in a physical form. Bitcoin has a fixed supply of 21 million. No more Bitcoin can be created and units of Bitcoin cannot be destroyed. Bitcoin users send and receive coins over the network by inputting the public key information attached to each person's digital wallet. To incentivize the distributed network of people verifying Bitcoin transactions, miners, a fee is attached to each transaction. The fee is awarded to whichever miner adds the transaction to a new block. Fees work on a first price auction system, where the higher the fee, the more likely a miner will process the transaction first. Every Bitcoin transaction must be permanently committed to the Bitcoin blockchain ledger through a process called mining. Bitcoin mining refers to the process where miners use specialized computer equipment known as application-specific integrated circuit (ASIC) chips to unlock the next block in the chain.